What's going on, guys? It's been a minute. Just been really busy, and you know how it is about life, you know. But yeah, well, I'm back today, and what I'm gonna show you guys is I bought some little LED lights for the front grille of my 4runner. I haven't updated you guys, but yeah, I upgraded to a 4runner 3rd gen, which that's from a 96 to 2002, I believe, and there she is, right there. It's got a 1-inch BL on it already, and I just upped the tire series up to 75 from a 70, so it's got 265, 75, 16. Plan to get some wheels on it soon. It handles nice. I mean, I was thinking that the BL was going to be pretty rough, as in like leaning wise, back and forth, rocking. But it actually ain't bad for a 1-inch, because I'm guessing that 1-inch ain't, you know, too massive crazy. The only thing that I probably felt that's a little bit different is the steering wheels have more of a stiffness on it. But other than that, I mean, it's clean. I mean, the common grip on 4runners got leather seats. It's actually really clean, especially for this age, you know, and all that stuff. It looks really good. I mean, my wife drives it every day, so she don't complain about it. So I guess that's a good thing. Side step, yes, I would love to get rid of them, but I got a kid on the way, and my wife needs them to get in. All right, well, let's go ahead and open it. That's it. And then, yep, well, there's 4. Parts number, if anybody wants to know what the part number is. Awesome.